Hi friends, it's Mia. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're painting a super cute caterpillar. Just look at that big smile and chubby green body. He's sitting happily on a big leaf in the sunshine. But something tells me this isn't just a normal day for this little caterpillar. What made him so happy? Let's find out the story behind this colorful moment. If you love drawing and colors, hit subscribe so you never miss a fun story.
I found a caterpillar on my windowsill. It was green and brown. Sitting so still, I whisper softly, do you dream? Or are you just a part of nature's scheme? Painting caterpillar with colors so bright. Lights, blues and reds under the pale moonlight. I like. Spin your cocoon, take your time. Soon you'll fly, soon you'll shine. I grabbed my brush, dipped it in the sun, painted stripes on its back just for fun. It wiggled once, like it approved. Little art critics so easily moved. Will you remember me when you fly? A splash of paint in the endless sky. Painting caterpillar with colors so bright. Blues and reds under the pale moonlight. Spin your cocoon, take your time. Soon you'll fly, soon you'll shine. Hey, hey! Are you a butterfly waiting to bloom?
amazing! Today we painted a happy little caterpillar named Toto. And we found out how he turned a green world into a rainbow adventure. Don't forget to subscribe for more colorful stories and fun drawings. Bye-bye, friends!